Hello my friends, welcome back to my PopMax video. In today's video I want to also share again 1,500 to 1,800 per day. This is easy. It's very attainable, right? For some people that are saying, oh, this is a lot of money, how is he earning this money? It's easy. What do you have to do? You just have to stake and earn PPT. That's what we are doing. PPT is a token that has been listed in 5 different exchanges, right? And that token is being traded as I speak with you just now. So you can go to any of these exchanges that it has been listed, which I am going to explain later on in this video, and see the trading volume and how it is possible for you to even go to those exchanges and purchase this token, right? And then begin to hold the token until the market price appreciates, and then you can sell off your token and make some money. But in PopMax, okay, if you don't want to do that in the exchanges that it has been listed, in PopMax we can earn this money by staking PPT and earning percentage on a daily basis. So that is how it is possible to earn this money. But before I explain how it works and how you make your money in this platform, let me quickly share this screenshot with you, okay? So this account is earning, as at this time that I'm talking to you and I'm recording this video, it is earning between 1,500 per day and 1,800 per day. This is a lot of money. Let's say we want to put this into calculation, right? For 1 month. Let's take the minimum of 1,500 from that screenshot that I just shared with you. Multiply that by 30 days, okay? Because that was per day. So if you multiply it by 30 days, that is going to give you 45K. And that is even the minimum that this account is earning, because it's earning between 1,500 and 1,800. So if we do, this is 45K for 1,500 per day, right? This is 45K for 1 month. Now, if we do 1,800 for 1 month, right? 1,800 multiplied by 30 days, that will give us 54K. But remember that this account is earning a little bit more than 1,800. So let me quickly run down this screenshot for you. The beginning of this screenshot, you can see that it's earning 1,536 to 1,589, 1,725, 1,740, and then 1,811, and then 1,845, close to 2K per day. So guys, this is working perfectly okay. Withdrawal in this platform is seconds, 2-3 seconds. Once you hit that button for you to withdraw, the money will be in your trust wallet or your decentralized wallet in seconds. So there is no issue of withdrawal here in this platform, just so you know. Okay, so that brings me to explaining how it works. How does it work? How are you going to make this money that I have been talking about in this video? This is the thing that you need to stay on, and let me explain how it works and how you are going to be able to make this money, so that at the end of this video, if you decided to join this platform, then you will begin to build your daily earning up to the level that you want to build it up to. It's entirely up to you what you want to do. But remember that we do not have to refer anybody or recruit anybody to earn on a daily basis in this platform. So that being said, let me explain how it works and how you are going to make this money. So that brings us to this question: how does it work? How do you make money in PopMax? It's very easy. Okay, now let me explain how it works, and I'm going to explain this in very briefly. I'm not going to go into elaborate explanation on how it works and how you make money actually, now that you have seen what is going on in PopMass. So very quickly, what we are doing here is we are basically staking. Okay, we are staking for cryptocurrency or a token that is called PPT. Now PPT is listed on 4 to 5 different exchanges, right? And you can see the exchanges that it has been listed. So you can see Bybit, BitGet, Gate.io, MEXC, and Binge X. These are the exchanges that the PPT has been listed. So if you go into these exchanges, you can actually trade the PPT token, right? So you can buy and sell the PPP token and these exchanges, right? It's already been listed and it's been trading for a long time now. Okay, so when you stake in PopMax, what you get is you will get different contract periods, right? So you have 10 days contract period that you will earn 0.4%. You can stake for 30 days where you will earn 0.5%, or you can stake for 90 days and you will earn 0.6%, or you the good thing about this platform is after you have completed your contract days, let's say you choose 10 days, if you complete your 10 days contract, they will give you back your original staked money, okay, which is your original deposit will be given back to you. If you stake for 30 days, when your 30 days elapse, you will get your profit back plus your initial capital or initial deposit that you have used to start staking. If you do the one of 90 days, the same thing, 180 days, the same thing, 360 days, they will also give you back your original deposit once you complete that contract, plus all your profit. You will get them. You will also be able to withdraw daily. Okay, if you are making enough profit to the minimum requirement, which is 100 ppt, you will be able to withdraw that 100 ppt on a daily basis. However, there is a 10% charge for each withdrawal that you make in this platform, just so you know.